All right, kids. Santa's elves busy at work. Need to know how to emboss a sphere. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that work plane. So I got to start. All I have thus far is a sphere on here. I'm going to create a work plane to put my letters. So I come up here, hit work plane. I'm going to offset from a plane. And then there's no planes on here to offset. So I'm going to go over to my project browser and I'm going to offset from the XY plane. I'm going to offset 2 inches, which puts me right on the surface of the sphere. The sphere has a radius of 2 inches. So I've created a work plane to draw on, and now I'm going to do just that. I'm going to come up here, start a 2D sketch, choose the work plane, and then I'm going to go to text. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to drag a box out. It helps me see. Kind of lined up okay, and I'm going to type, I don't know, Merry Christmas. Not trying to be offensive or anything. If that bothers anybody, let me know. I can certainly redo it in any religion. All right, going to make it 0.3 inches high. I'm going to middle and center justify, put that on there, and then hit finish sketch. At this point now I'm going to right click and turn off the visibility of that work plane just because it confuses me. And then I'm ready to emboss. So I'm going to hit emboss. I'm going to touch the letters there. I'm going to emboss this one in. So I'm going to hit that. I'm going to hit here. And then I'm not going to click wrap to face. I'm actually just going to click on the object. I just clicked on that sphere. I'm going to hit OK. And sure enough, in a second, it's going to snap to. So now if I zoom in, you can see that that is written around. Certainly, guys, you have a lot of fonts. You have a lot of sizes, and I'd like you to take a little time and really customize that and make it look great. But that's a simple embossing of a curved surface. So other ways to do it, certainly, but I think this is the easiest. If you need help, just let me know, and I'll be along to help you. Good luck.